can you find the angle x given BP is equal to CP and if we make a circle with center P and radius is equal to BP, that is equal to CP, center is P and radius is BP and CP, and angle ACB is 20 plus 10. It is 20 degrees plus 10 degrees, that is 30 degrees. And suppose this point is M such that angle BMP is 60 degrees. It is our construction. Angle BMP is 60 degrees. Then PM, it will be equal to PB, that is radius, and interangle PMB it is P M B, PM and PB are equal and this angle is 60 degrees. That means this angle, it will be also 60 degrees and hence this angle, it will be also 60 degrees. So it is an equilateral triangle. This angle is 60 degrees and this angle, it will be 60 minus 10, that will be 50 degrees. And now in any circle, any chord, suppose BM, if it is making an angle theta at the center, suppose P, then on the circle, suppose C, it will make an angle of theta divided by 2, and here angle MPB is 60 degrees. That means angle MCB, it will be 60 degrees divided by 2, that will be 30 degrees. And we have angle ACB is also 30 degrees. That means MAC is on a straight line. And now in triangle MPC, it is M, P, C, MP and CP are equal, and this angle is 20 degrees. So this angle, it will be also 20 degrees. This angle, it will be 20 degrees. And in triangle MBA, it is M, B, A. This angle is 60 plus 20, that will be 80 degrees. This angle is 50 degrees. So this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 50 degrees, that will be 50 degrees. It is 50 degrees. This angle is 50 degrees, and these two angles are equal. That means BM and AM will be also equal. And now in triangle MAP, it is M, A, P, MA and MP are equal. That means these two angles, they will be equal. Suppose alpha, and this angle is 20 degrees. So alpha plus 20 degrees, it will be 180 degrees, and 2 alpha, it will be 160 degrees. So alpha, it will be 80 degrees. So x plus 50 degrees is alpha. That means x plus 50 degrees is 80 degrees. So x, it will be 30 degrees.